Offered by BW Manufacturing, the American-manufactured B-202 Pulse Vac is hand-built in one facility in Michigan by one expert assembler. The B-202 offers a staggering 1105 CFM for enough vacuum power to work alongside grinders and large saws used for concrete sawing, grinding, and coring. The 30-gallon drum can contain up to 600 pounds of material. With the optional drum line, the material can be disposed of quickly and safely. The B-202 offers a 5-inch and two 2-inch inlet ports. BW Manufacturing offers multiple power options, including a 5.5 horsepower Honda gas engine, a 220-volt electric motor, or a propane-powered conversion to expand the versatility of the vacuum. The field-tested and proven Pulsation control is designed for maximum productivity in the field. And with the reversed charge of compressed air, the filters are alternately pulsed cleaned every 10 to 15 seconds, ensuring the B-202 has a continuous vacuum. The electronic timer board automatically controls the air pulsation system and is only offered by BW Manufacturing. Say goodbye to the days of manually shaking filters, redirecting vacuum exhausts, and mechanical contact that often leads to damaged filters. With reduction in filter cleaning labor, adaptability to all shrouded equipment, and rugged U.S. manufactured construction, the B-202 is a perfect fit for your dust containment needs.